Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2019. I am so looking forward to this year just because I know it's going to bring so many new opportunities and experiences for me to grow as not only a person but my mentality, just embracing what is around me and reaching for opportunities. Now that being said, I want to kind of tackle a little thing I see a lot, especially dealing with the career aspect of my life, which is fitness goals and why it is so hard for some people to stay with it and why they have setbacks. So I have 5 main tips or concepts that hopefully will help you avoid setback and keep you going in your journey. So a little background on me. I'm a certified personal trainer, health coach, and group exercise instructor and coordinator. So there's a long line of stuff there, different certifications aside as well, nutrition, all that good stuff. So I'm hoping to explore more with that on YouTube this year. But jumping in to here are my 5 things you guys can work on and or do to help avoid a setback, especially if you're new to fitness, if you're getting a little tired with what you're doing. Hopefully these tips will help. So number 1 and number 2 kind of go hand in hand. The first one is to have a attainable SMART goal. So basically that means have something that you are very specific about. So not just I want to work out more. No, I want to work out 2 or 3 times this week. Set that date, set that time, make that promise to yourself that you are going to work out at least 3 times this week, or even if it's just I'm going to walk 20 minutes for 2 times this week. That is something that is specific. It's measurable because you can keep track of that, and it's attainable. Same thing if you want to lose weight. Make a number that is actually possible. So on health-wise, 1 to 2 pound weight loss a week is safe. Anything more than that, it's a little excessive. I'm not counting water weight. That can fluctuate up and down. Something else entirely. So having the goal like, oh, I want to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks, not really feasible, as in you only have that 1 to 2 pound ratio that is considered the norm or the healthier way to lose weight. So maybe either make that goal a little further out or drop the number down a little bit. And even then, I don't advise looking more at weight. I look more at I like using progress photos, and I like using measurements or like body measurements with a tape, inches, stuff like that. I found that's more changing than if you were to just look at a scale, because even right now, for the last year and a half, I've been 145 pounds. Now what I look like physically between that is different. There's sometimes where I'm extremely toned, or right now where I'm like a little chubby because I've been enjoying the holidays, and there is nothing wrong with that. So I've pretty much lost all muscle mass. It's fine because you know what, we're human and we're gonna change. But I digress. So have a SMART, attainable goal that you can actually track. That goes into number 2, which is have an accountability partner, whether that is someone you just say, hey, I'm gonna do this, so if I talk to you about it, just keep encouraging me, or just let me acknowledge that I'm telling you and that I'm doing it, and ask me about it. Accountability helps so much because you're not only having to keep track of you, but you don't want to let that other person down. Especially when we say something, we want to be able to put truth behind our words. So find an accountability partner, one that really wants to see you succeed, and they will keep you on track with your goal. Number 3 is that you go in with a mindset that is all or nothing. That, or you find that, oh, everyone's doing this one type of workout, I need to do this one type of workout. That's not the case. The point is to try to figure out what you like. So I always encourage new students, even ones who have been doing stuff for a long time, to try different formats, see what works out for you, see what you like, what you don't like. I always encourage also that you try to find a personal trainer, or just take advantage of what your gym or facility offers. So if you have say a free session with a personal trainer, maybe not completely do that first session. Maybe tell them, hey, I just want to know the basics. How do I do this on my own? Especially if you're not in a financial spot to afford a trainer or something like that. You can also do group training as well. It's a lot cheaper. More people you have, the cheaper it is per person. So you have that option as well. And you can just ask the trainer, hey, what are some basics I can do, and how do I do them safely so I can do them on my own? So don't feel like you absolutely have to do this expensive package to get the results. No, that is not the case. Take the time to just do a little research, talk to a trainer. If a trainer really is there for you, who is there for because they love what they do, they will have no problem with this. Yeah, it kind of sucks in our pocket that we can't land you as a client. Maybe we won't land you right then. Maybe you'll come back later, but you'll have that respect because you know that they worked with you. So that's another way how you can put feelers out for personal trainers and any trainer as health coaches or whatever. Are they willing to help you? Do you feel that vibe that they're there to help you and not just take that paycheck from you? So I would definitely say experiment with the types of workouts you do. Maybe you don't think you're a dancer. That's fine. Still go to that dance class and just try it. Maybe you'll just have fun with the fact that you get to let loose, that you don't have to really go with the flow, and all our bodies move differently. So I teach several dance formats, and I always just tell my students, just have fun. No one's looking at you. We're all in our own little world. Only person really looking is the instructor, just to make sure you're not doing anything that's going to cause you any injury. But other than that, it is a safe space. So if you feel that way, if you feel that it's not, that gym is probably not for you. Number 4 is to not overdo it. I see this so much where they're like, I'm starting a new program, I have to do it every day. It says day 1 do this, day 2 do this. That's fine if you are letting your body relax. You're letting everything recover. When you work out, you are literally tearing down your muscles, which you have right now, and that's just the process. You're supposed to tear down your muscles, but you're supposed to also rest so you can rebuild. So you refill your body and you rebuild. If you're working the same body parts constantly every day to try to see results, you're actually going to do more harm than good because you're never resting. Therefore, the body can never build that strength and recover. So while soreness is okay, just try to work on a different body part the next day. So say you did arms one day, go back and maybe do chest, maybe do the back, legs, something else, and just kind of cycle through. So don't feel like you have to do everything every single day. That being said, active recovery days are a thing. So say if you want, you're at that point where you're like, no, I need to do something. Go for a walk. Go play with your kids. Go hang out with friends and just walk a trail or something. It doesn't have to be an intense workout. You just want to get your body moving. That's pretty much the point with any fitness journey. If you don't have like a goal that's like bodybuilding or something like that, you just want to keep your body moving. So don't feel pressure to, okay, I have to go do weights today, I have to go cardio today. No, just do something light. Yoga day, walking. If you want to lift weights, lift weights. If you want to take that dance class, go to yoga, do that. But just be mindful of your body, and if you feel you are tired and you just can't get into it, either stop or just dial down the intensity. So there's nothing wrong with that. And number 5 is you go in with expectations and you forget to enjoy the journey. So that's kind of the big thing. It's like, oh no, I've seen all these pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, wherever, and all these people look amazing. Chances are they have to work their butt off to even keep, or even want to even get to the results, but then to keep the result. And you have to ask yourself, what am I willing to do to get there? Am I willing to have a strict diet? Am I willing to have to follow this intense regimen? If you're just in this to just try to get a healthier you, don't worry about all that. Yes, nutrition is important, but don't feel like you have to take stuff out of your diet. When you limit yourself, that's when you crave stuff. You don't want to have that hanging over your head. So just enjoy the journey. Just love your body where it's at, and love it as it travels on through whatever you're doing as well. We are humans. We're going to change. Not everything is going to be perfect. So you just kind of have to go with the flow and yeah, that's pretty much it for my point of view, the basics you can do to stay on track to help avoid falling off, and or if you're just trying to refresh and do something more exciting or feel that excitement again with when you work out. So don't put too much pressure into it. Baby steps. You didn't get how you are overnight. Getting to where you want to go is not going to happen overnight either. So let me know if you have any questions down below, whether it's part of your journey, stuff you want to know about. Again, I am qualified to help you with within reason. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will be exploring and doing more fitness related stuff on this channel. So definitely hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.